911. What's the location of your emergency? Okay, and what's the phone number you're calling from?
It's 97.
Okay, and what's going on tonight?
Family violence. My boyfriend just hit me.
Okay.
And he's drunk. And I kicked him out, so he's trying to get all his stuff out in his chase truck.
Okay. Does he have any weapons on him?
I don't know, because he's drunk and he left to the club and then he came back. And I had told him not to come back, so I don't know what he has on him.
Okay.
But he is drunk.
Okay. Where did he hit you at?
He hit me in my face and in my arm.
Okay. Do you want an ambulance to check you out?
No, no ambulance.
Okay.
I just want to report it because just in case we have to go to child support or to court, and I'm going to put a restraining order against him.
Okay. I do have a couple officers on the way. Where is he at right now?
He's right here banging on my front and my back porch. He's going to break the window.
Okay. What's his name? Okay. And what's he wearing?
He's wearing a white shirt with like gray in top and blue jeans and some boots.
Okay. And is he Hispanic male?
Yeah, he's Mexican.
Okay.
But my kids are in the house and he's being violent.
Okay. Has he been violent towards your kids as well, or just you?
This is my middle child. He just screamed at him one time when we were driving, but that's it.
Okay. Okay, I'm just going to stay on the phone with you until they get there, okay? Keep letting me know what he's doing, because I don't want him to get in there, okay?
Yeah, I don't want him to get in. Oh, he brought a bat, and he's hitting the door.
He has a bat? He can hit the door?
Yeah.
Okay, are you able to get your children and leave the house?
Nope.
Okay. Are you able to lock yourself and your children in another room?
No, he's breaking all the windows. What's wrong? He's breaking all the...
Okay. Units responding to the 46. The male now has a bat, and he broke the back door. Correction, he just broke the door, unknown if it's the front or the back.
RP is unable to leave.
Male now going to be breaking all of the windows. He's going to be located in the back of the residence. Just be advised, the female screamed and then the line disconnected. We no longer have CRP on the phone.
Trying deceiving.
Receive 1033, good to work, Arrow.
Log updated. Voicemail. Log updated. 10 to 33. Unit 116P. Status. At scene. Incoming message from Unit 436P. 10 to 33 Fair Oaks. Incoming message from Unit 154P. NRT. Log updated.
Hey, come here! Police department, come here now! 116, I got one Hispanic in the mail, one Hispanic male in the garage with a knife. Hey, outside in the alley now!
Did you just see what he did?
Go in the alley. He has a knife. Go in the alley. Hey, show me your hands! Show me your hands! Drop the knife! Drop the knife! Drop the knife! You in now! Drop the knife! Don't make me shoot you! Drop the knife! got 16. Shots fired. Shots fired. Suspect down. Don't move. Don't move. Back inside. Don't move.
Awaken your
Hey, do not move. Do not move.
cucumber lemonade. Curious how? Cue the aroma. Now, cue the taste.
He's down. Knife is next to him. Don't grab it. Do not.
Uncommonly
No.
Hey.
Do not grab it. No.
No. Put the knife down.
Keep the knife down. Do not get up.
Curious. Discover
Put it
Hendrix
down.
Gin.
Do not get up.
HendrixGin.com. Finishing the unusual responsibly. Hendrix